in the video like aku mau review 4 ini, tapi aku harus make up dulu karena muka aku jelek ya. Kalian lihat dong mukaku ya seperti ini. Kita mau pakai touch up sebentar doang. Let's go guys. Oh my god. Kita touch up bentar pakai cushionnya Glow Shopee. This is my favorite cushion. I don't know how gonna fail this, but yeah, this is my favorite so far. This is my favorite cushion sejauh ini karena ini benar-benar bagus banget. I really like this texture. It's really nice actually, and I can do some stuff. That's perfect. I just make this one feel better. So apa sih enggak? Kita pakai ini. Blushing. Aku pakai blushing ini. You make some pink in your cheek. Yeah, just a little bit, but this really quickly. And then we want to make eyeshadow, maybe. Because I really like eyeshadow. Ma, tutup, gue pakai celana pendek. Tutup, gue pakai celana pendek, Ma. Kita pakai powder karena biar lebih halus aja sih. Nggak tahu, aku ngarang guys, aku nggak tahu. Kan kamu gelap banget sih. Soalnya nggak ada lighting tuh. Ini pakai powder jadi better kan. Ya udahlah, muka kita emang gelap. Some powder to make this feel better. Yeah, it's a powder guys. Makes you feel better. That's it. You got it guys. You got it. It's got it. Aku belum pernah pakai softban, padahal aku sebetulnya softban, tapi aku belum pernah. Let's going on in eyeshadow. Ini aku beli paletnya dari Salsa, and it's a really pretty palette, and it's so cheap guys. Ini murah banget karena aku belinya juga pas on shelf, kayak it's gonna worth it to buy this because it's so really worth it. I want the pink color because I love pink. No, I'm not really love pink. I really love blue. Aku nggak punya aplikatornya, jadi kita pakai tangan aja ya. Nggak lupa ya. Let me check how sana ya. Tanganku sebenarnya pink banget ya. Karena glitter. Terus have I done guys? Have I done yet? Yes, it's done guys. Just make a lipstick or lip tint. Karena aku mau pakai produk itu, jadi kayaknya aku bakalan pakai lip balm saja. Anjing, fuck lah, pakai lip balm saja untuk membuat muka kita menjadi this just enough. Ini ya kebanyakan banget hijab. Hijabnya aku bakalan gini nih ya guys, model apa ya kita pakai. Aduh,
tiga nyalainnya 3, 4, 1 kalau satu.
tuh dengerin ya, dengerin. Orang jantungan kah? Kayak gini aja bagus ya. Kok aneh sih? Udahlah pakai kerudung biasa aja lah ya. Ya udah lah ya. Tutup ke pintunya. That's shit guys. That's shit man. We're ready for the next step. Tapi aku kurang lighting guys. Karena we don't have lighting. Gini aja kali ya. Ini harusnya udah harus dinaikin banget sih. Sarah, I'm ready for the content. I'm ready for the content. I'm ready for the content. This my look makeup. This stuff. This so really bad actually.